Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to do a DIY repurpose your candle in the kitchen. Grab yourself some tea. I just made some tea. Put on some classical music. Today we're going to talk about mindfulness and calm. I'm going to recommend, there are two apps, the Headspace app and the Calm app. I actually don't have them, but if you want that, I'm recommending it. And we're going to talk about reduce, reuse, recycle, and might I add, repurpose. So all you need is a nasty old candle that's like almost done. You take it, now I've already take a saucepan, fill it full of water, hit it on boil. Once it starts boiling, you actually turn the fire off, and then you put your old candle. So I've already done it. This is hot, so I have to use my, so I put 2 old candles in the hot water, and look, it's already liquefied. So both of these are liquid. So this one, I'm actually, okay, then you need, if you don't want to use the same jar that you have, you can use any of your old candles. Okay, this one is my Tuberose by Diptyque. I love this candle so much. It's so amazing. It's gone. But what you can also do is, take a votive from Bed Bath & Beyond or whatever, plop it in there and repurpose it that way. But today we're gonna show you how to put more wax, all your old wax, melt it down and make a new candle. Now, this one I'm just gonna show you, I did yesterday. So this is what it looks like. So you put the wick in it, and it's a brand new candle. It's amazing. So you have to buy a wick though. So these are little wicks. Get them at your craft store. I buy these little ones because I have little candles. They make all different kinds and whatnot. They have the little metal thing at the bottom, you know what I'm saying. But you can also buy the wicks that are wood wicks. Those are cool too. This is oh my gosh, this is the Magnolia candle that someone brought me back from the silos, no joke. This is Magnolia candle, and see how it has the wood wick, the little wood wick? So you can either do the wood wick or you can do the regular wick. So I'm gonna use the regular wick. So I've already, like I said, boil the water, turn the fire off, then put the candles in, and then I put a lid on it, and then it only takes like 5 minutes for it to melt. Now, we live in the desert. This summer, we could have just put our candles on the back patio and they would have melted just fine. So if you're a neighbor of mine, go ahead and put your candles out on a hot day. But it's cooling off, thank God. So this is what we do. So we've got them melted down. All right, so I'm gonna take this one out first. This is my Joe Malone. Hopefully, it's kind of slippery, so you can make sure you use your hot pads because it's hot. So this one, I've already taken the old, look at, this was the old wick. So you take the old wick out. It's like nasty old wick. Take that out, and I use actually little kebab skewers and stick it in there when it's melted. Take the old wick out. So now I've got no wick, just the glass with hot melted wax in it. Then I'm gonna take this second candle here that has melted down as well. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Safety. Okay, this, I think I got this candle at Bed Bath & Beyond. And don't you know I'm gonna repurpose this amazing silver candle thing. So then you just take the wax, the hot wax, and you're gonna just pour it right in to this container here. So now I have literally 2 candles. Oh look, there's so much, I'm gonna have a little extra. Okay, that's fine. So now it's filled to the top. It's kind of hot still, but I'll show you, it's okay. Filled to the top with hot wax. Now, all you do is take your little wick here and put it down in the middle of the candle. Now, sometimes it floats around and it moves around until it cools. So what I do is I take these same skewers and I hold up the wick so it doesn't move to the side. And I take these skewers and I put it like that, and it keeps that wick in place. You leave that there on the kitchen counter for the next couple hours or the next day, you have a brand new candle. How amazing is that? Like, I love this so much. And I am not that crafty, but look, it takes no time at all. Literally, it takes no time. And it's kind of fun. And anyway, it's just a fun thing to do. So like I said, I'm gonna do a whole video on mindfulness and calm, and like it is the trend right now. And yeah, hello, how about listening to the Holy Spirit before you speak, or tuning into God before you speak? Like, yes, please. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me if you have any other like little crafty DIY life hack things that you want to do. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.